this wonderful moment, I'm inviting the team Sandhu to come to dais and present your talk. You are honored by the proud of Tamil Nadu, Dr. Shree Varma and Dr. Vanida, both are there. You can take your time. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajit Singh, and I work with Imami Zandu as Vice President. I'm here. It's really an honor to be part of this wonderful event, national level, listening to the august speakers, their thought process, and the kind of work you all are putting to take the Ayurveda forward, and most importantly, global. I was listening to you, ma'am, when you said that Ayurveda will play a major role in shaping global healthcare. I truly echo your thought, because I believe that India is already fourth largest, fastest growing global economy and democracy. We do not have any doubt that India will become Vishwaguru. And when it is going to be, Ayurveda will be the strongest pillar holding the image, knowledge, and the wisdom that it has. My idea of coming here and speaking to all of you is that as your industry partner, because it is healthcare, when patients come to you, their minimum expectation from a doctor is that his ailment should be treated. That is his or her minimum expectation. To meet patient's minimum expectation, a doctor has to operate at his or her highest level of knowledge, highest level of learning, experience, and integrity. And when doctor decides to recommend a particular medicine, here comes the role of industry partner or pharma. Now, when a doctor is operating at their highest level of knowledge, experience, integrity, definitely a medicine provider, a pharma company, also needs to operate at their highest level to provide global quality medicines which are evidence-based, so that in partnership, we both, doctor and pharma company, can meet the minimum expectation of a patient. So, from the industry perspective, at Imami or Zandu, how we are looking at this topic of modernizing Ayurveda, a scientific, scalable, and global future. So if we look at the global health landscape, we know that macro trends which are shaping the global health is shift towards natural medicine, rise of chronic lifestyle disorders, demand for integrative healthcare, digital health and AI are reshaping diagnosis, medicine, and treatment, and enhanced patient awareness driven by access of information. As ma'am was also saying, that chat GPT is the new university. When patient walks to you or he comes to you, he is already having certain degree of understanding, and therefore there will be a lot of questions, confusion that you need to deal with. And where Ayurveda fits in global health, because we all know that it's world's oldest and holistic system, growing global recognition as a safe and effective healthcare solution, but definitely still underrepresented in research publication. Opportunity to lead natural healthcare and may provide solution to unsolved health issues globally. There are various issues and problems which are where, pharma or modern allopathy does not have the clear answer. where Ayurveda can actually help and come out with, some solution. So if we look at currently, and this I am purely talking about the global level, that when we go and talk about Ayurveda globally, how they perceived or they look at, and I'm talking from the industry perspective as well, where the limitation which is hindering the global acceptance is the low volume of clinical evidence. While in our country we do not require them, because in our case it is our knowledge, it is our wisdom, it is our experience, it is in our culture, it is in our DNA. We believe in this. But when we, talk about global relevance, they definitely ask for, evidence. Inconsistent product quality, this is where I think the industry, the pharma companies, they need to really think. Of course, government also need to come out with some stringent regulatory aspects so that, the way we are having in today, we are all proud that India is considered as pharmacy of the world, purely because the kind of quality controls which are there in place. I think same is required in our industry also, so that whether it's a small organization or big company manufacturing medicine, quality has to be consistent. Minimal digital documentation. Documentation is required. Digital, why? Because it is easy to transfer, easy to access, easy to store, and it does not require the kind of space. Weak global regulatory pathways, these are not very well defined. Like in allopath, they are having, consistency in regulatory, pathways for global, approvals. I think this is where a task is there. There is a gap which we need to work at. And then, of course, exaggerative marketing practices. As an organization, as a company, as a brand, we cannot go and claim something which your medicine is not about, unless it is, scientifically proven, it is, you are having sufficient evidence. And then, of course, underdeveloped research ecosystem, which, we'll talk about. So if you look at these 5, scientific pillars, where I think as an industry, as healthcare ecosystem, we need to focus is the standardization of ingredients. I cannot come, when I talk about Arjuna Rist, Asavarishta, I cannot have different formulation. The standardization of ingredient is definitely required. The standardization of industrial manufacturing practices. Now, this is very, very important. And what I mean to say is that in our textbooks, in our shastras, there are various quality parameters are defined when we talk about the classical medicine. Ayush Ministry has given API guidelines are there. And then there is a combination. But how many, manufacturing units actually in totality follow that? So that is, one aspect which we need to look at. Mechanism for action, how it works, especially the, ethical ones, the polyherbal formulations, clinical trials and safety validation, if we really want to take it to global, and global regulatory alignment definitely is required. So if we look at what we believe is that Ayurveda's evidence-first leadership strategy. And what do I mean by that? In our organization, I have proposed this 4-step, roadmap. First is clinical documentation of key disorders. You all know about this, I will not. Second is AI-based formulation innovation and predictive analysis of patient outcome. AI can definitely help. And I truly agree with ma'am when she says that human intellect cannot submit to artificial intellect. But definitely it's a tool. We can use it to our advantage. Third is build Ayurveda's largest data lake. I think this is something where imagine that there is a big data lake, maybe of 1 lakh, 2 lakh patients, where you are having, access, from the universities, academia, research, or for that matter, industry. There, the kind of information will be available will definitely help or augment the level of research, and then definitely the global regulatory submissions. So if I look at, we believe in 7 pillars of modernizing the model. One is research and evidence. We need to find the unmet needs, where right now we do not have, the polyherbal, because lifestyle has changed, environment is changing, there are new disorders which are emerging. So we need to see that, how we can research and, provide evidence. I am happy to share with you that in Jhandu we are having state-of-the-art research and development facility where more than 200 scientists, they are working, and they have published more than 175 research papers, and they are globally most cited ones. AI and digital Ayurveda, we have touched upon that. Clinical validation is very critical. Unless I do not have the documentation or proof that how my drug or my medicine is working and what is the safety and efficacy, that is very, very important. Manufacturing excellence is very important. As I shared with you, that standardization, both in terms of ingredient and, of course, the manufacturing practices. Today in India, if we look at the manufacturing facilities, which are WHO GMP certified, we can count on our fingertips. And out of that, 2 plants are actually with Jhandu. What I'm trying to say here is that unless we bring in the good manufacturing practices and the quality rigor, we really, it will be, difficult for us to take our medicines to global or to the, at international level, where the results, the quality and the results and outcomes are consistent. Regulatory strength, as I was sharing with you, the kind of, regulatory framework which is evolving now, I think as we move forward, it is really going to help in taking Ayurveda globally. Globalization, Ministry of Ayush is already working. We are seeing that daily there is, 1 or 2 posts. Our PM is actually working very hard in this direction. So definitely our future and our relevance, is in that direction. And then talent development. And here, there are a lot of students are there. You are the future, and you will actually take Ayurveda global. Now, if we look at the high-impact clinical opportunities, where currently we as an organization are looking at, is varicose vein and vascular disorders, IBS, gut disorders, mental wellness, osteoarthritis, metabolic syndrome, and women's hormonal health. So these are some of the identified, areas where we as an organization are working. We have already touched upon this digital transformation initiatives, that AI-driven formulation insights, predictive herbal synergy engine, outcome-based care pathways, digitized classical text mapping, and predictive patient outcomes, in both integrative and pure Ayurveda. Just to give you one small example, for a condition like endometritis, the pharmacotherapy offers approximately 37–38% efficacy. And AI-based yoga, and when we did the predictive analysis, it shows that it offers around 47% efficacy. And then we actually conducted predictive analysis in an integrative setting. We found that efficacy increased to almost 87%. Now, these are the AI model-based predictive analysis. In real world, how it shapes up, it's a different story. But definitely it gives you, understanding that if you work towards it, you can definitely come out with some, meaningful drug development. And what we believe is in integrate platform, which is innovate, develop, generate and record evidence, refer, and definitely treat. I have already touched upon this, India's first Ayurveda, data lake. Imagine that we are having a common asset like this, which is accessible, to all academia, students, industry partners, government officials, where you are having, patients with clinical data, pattern across diseases, pattern across geography, Prakriti genotype links, and of course, real-world evidence powering formulation science. So, in my closing remark, I would like to see that vision of Ayurveda 2030, that India as global leader in natural medicine or Ayurveda, evidence-based or evidence-driven Ayurveda, high-quality global regulatory pathways, where, our medicines, our methods are globally accepted, recognized, Ayurveda impacting global health outcomes, and scientific validation as a foundation of growth. And this is something which Chinese have done very well with their traditional medicine. I think this is what exactly we need to follow. And my message to all the students is that master both classical knowledge and modern science. Think research first, evidence first, aim to become global ambassador of Ayurveda, and of course your generation will build Ayurveda 3.0. So with this, I thank all of you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Shree Varma and Dr. Vanita ma'am to felicitate Dr. Ajit Pal Singh.
The next session, I'm inviting my spiritual sister, Dr. Veronique Nicoli, to the dais. I'm inviting Mr. Kamalakannan, our CEO, to the dais. I wish everyone to spend another 10 minutes. The real presence, the real gift of this place is heartfulness, meditation, and relaxation. It's a very simple practice. You will experience how to feel your heart, how everything you face with a relaxation. Dr. Veronique, please come.
Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. And to end this day full of energy and wonderful speeches, we will make you experience a simple relaxation technique where we invite the energy of Mother Earth to relax our body. It's all about visualization, and it's taken from the Raja Yoga side of yoga. So if you want to sit comfortably, this will take only a few minutes, and you will feel the effect of such a technique at the end of the day, and how it can help you to become more centered, more relaxed. And tomorrow we will go to the second technique of heartfulness, the one that really hooked me to the practice, which is called the cleaning practice. So sit comfortably. You can keep your legs crossed if it is more comfortable for you, and please take the back rest. You do not need to keep a back away from the backrest. Your body should not disturb you. Close your eyes. And we will start with the feet. Bring your attention to your toes. Wiggle your toes. And now feel your toes relaxed. Now take a suggestion that the divine energy of Mother Earth is entering your feet and relaxing them. Moving up your ankles, calf muscles and knees, relaxing the lower legs. Feel the energy of Mother Earth going up your thighs, relaxing completely the legs. Now feel the deep relaxation of the energy of Mother Earth on your hips and the hip region, lower back and lower abdomen. Invite the energy of Mother Earth to go up your spine, relaxing your lower back, middle back, upper back and neck. The energy relaxes your lower abdomen and fills your abdomen cavity completely, relaxing all the organs in your abdomen. Now feel the energy moving up your chest, spreading in your chest, and feel your chest completely relaxed. Moving up towards the shoulders, feel your shoulders simply melting away. Allow the energy to go down your arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Both your arms are completely relaxed. Relax the muscles of your neck and of your face, your jaw, chin, lips, tongue, cheeks, nose, eyelids, forehead, temples, back of the head, till the top of your head. From the top of your head till your toes. Feel how your body is now completely relaxed. Now gently bring your attention to your heart, where the heart beats. Allow your attention to settle here. Have the suggestion that there is already a divine light in your heart, and that it is pulling you inwards. Just keep your attention here with your eyes closed, in silence, in the love and the joy of the heart. Meditate for a few minutes until you hear "that's all." That's all. Keep your eyes closed. Gently come back to the present moment and observe how you feel after staying for a few minutes in this heart space. And when you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes.
Thank you all for joining this simple relaxation practice. You might be coming from different parts of life. 25 years before I walk into this place, just like you, I learned how to meditate. We might learn a lot of things on yoga, Ayurveda, medical science, but simple practice of meditation do 1,000 times better than all your knowledge. I am the witness. I have thousands of brothers and sisters who live in Manapakam. They are witnessing this place, and this meditation did wonders to their life. For other systems, you have to learn a lot of things logically. Here, you just close your eyes and you relax and bring your attention, bring your feeling towards your heart, and you start feeling there is a divine light, there is a divine love, there is a divinity in you. Rest, everything is taken care. Whatever religion you practice, if you're a Christian, you go to church, you're a Hindu, you go to temple, you're a Muslim, you go to mosque, all well. But our Guruji says, start your day with a meditation, complete your day with a cleaning and prayer. I welcome all fellow brothers and sisters of Ayurveda fraternity. I can assure this place will do wonders in your life if you are sincere with your practice. Heartfulness is a 100% not-for-profit organization. We believe God is not for sale. None of our meditation or a spiritual practice cost any money. You learn, the 3 sessions will be given to you. So your real journey will start from tomorrow. Try to be here by 8:45. If you're coming late, you may not get a space to sit. I wonder all the place our students and doctors came, ended Manapakam yesterday, but afternoon I couldn't see a lot of people. Even today somebody is missing. But I'm telling, please, everyone to come tomorrow. You can witness what this place is. And tomorrow morning, a meditation session will be there. After that, our scientific sessions. I wish to convey to everyone, please communicate this message to your friends. Today we start with 10,000 rupees as a cash prize, and it went up to ₹1,00,000, and I'm very happy. Dr. Chandrakumar Deshmukh traveled all the way to Pune. He came here and he made his presence at this divine place. Tomorrow, for students who attend the whole day, evening we will have Q&A. Your cash prize will start from 1 lakh. It will go up to ₹1 crore. Please announce to your friends, fellow people, come and attend as a classroom. End of the day, if you answer the questions, it can helpful to you start your practice or start your higher studies. Many people, they are looking where they get a possibility, where they get a support to start their practice. I'm sitting here with my CEO, Mr. Kamalakanan, and our director, Veronique Nicoli, and our chairperson of research, Dr. Jayana. We are assuring wellness by heartfulness will do wonders in your life. When you complete your practice, if you are sincere to make a change in the society, we will be with you in all means. To set up a clinic, we could partner with you. You need to go for higher studies, we'll sponsor your studies. We will handhold you. We'll take you the best of your professional life. We are expecting your sincerity to attend, learn, and serve the humanity. I thank at this moment Brother Prashant Tiwari. He came to this ashram and he told, can we do this program here? And Dr. Jagar introduced. That moment things changed. So now he says, Dr. Prashant Tiwari is a younger brother of family, and all of my team knows you. They all waited for you to meet at Delhi. Unfortunately, we couldn't meet, but this is our team. And Dr. Raghuveer is here, and our brothers all sitting here. You are the part of Heartfulness family. We are honored by your visit here. We together will make a change in Ayurveda. Ayurveda talks about Prasannatmendriya Manaha. Heal the body, mind and soul. I can assure, if you ask the doctors how to heal the body, the best people, they will answer. How to heal the mind, even the best physicians will answer. If you ask how to heal the soul, I ask these questions to all the super specialty Ayurveda physicians, teachers, scholars. Last 25 years, there is no answer. But please ask these questions to an Abhyasi who come tomorrow. A very basic Abhyasi who comes here, you ask how to heal the soul, what you learn from here. They will not teach you, they will give you the experience how to meditate. This place is such a special place. Nothing to learn, nothing to give, nothing to take. You experience how to heal the soul. Thank you for this wonderful day. The next sessions are culturals. So the students are requested to go to the dorm A, the cultural place. The teachers are requested to go to the canteen, have food and go home. It's a place of celebration. Students can be there. Students know what's the discipline of culturals. Please maintain the ashram's ethics. We celebrate life with the conscious body, mind and soul. We will meet tomorrow by 8:45 sharp. Someone coming late, you will not get chairs. We are most welcome to sit on the floor. If you are deserved, if you are blessed, you will get a place to sit and meditate tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you all.